Hello, good morning, students. We are studying categories of verbs, and I taught you there are two categories of verb: finite and non-finite verb. And I will give you some instruction to understand finite and non-finite. But I gave you some sentence to identify finite and non-finite. The questions are there. I told you that underline the finite verb and circle the non-finite verb. First of all, we check our answer. I take on the board and you correct your answer. First question, he was going to play. Here was finite verb. Finite verb, underline, and to play non-finite verb. First sentence. Second, they go. Here go, finite verb, and to visit, go finite verb, to visit non-finite. Here lives finite verb, quickly waiting, non-finite. Question number 4, they are here writing, or to invite, writing, here going, also non-finite. Going, to play, here writing, to invite and writing, both are non-finite. Using finite to earn non-finite. I saw finite, come non-finite. Clear? Take your answer in copy. We understood clearly that non-finite verb has not subject or person, or it does not show tense of the sentence. And today we will study kinds of non-finite verb. There are three kinds of non-finite verbs. Non-finite verb are of three kinds. First infinitives, second participle, and third gerund. First we study infinitives. Infinitives are of two kinds. Further, infinitives are of two kinds. To infinitive first to infinitive, it is also called to verb. Second, bare infinitives. Infinitives are of two kinds. First, two infinitives or two verb. It is also called two verb because this infinitive always carries two. To go, to play, to work, to do. For example, to work, to do, etc. Their infinitive does not carry two. Simple come, go, play. It is called bare infinitive. First of all, we will say to infinitive the sentence that carries verb, finite verb, and we use infinitive also. If it carries two, we call infinitives, two infinitives. He wants to go. Here to go. He wants to go. Here wants, you already know that finite verb. Here to go, non-finite, and here it is called two infinitives because the verb carries two. इस वर्ब के पहले टू लगा हुआ है इसलिए इसको हम टू इन्फिनेटिव कहते हैं. We went there to play. Here to play is infinitive to infinitive. Clear? Now we will study the use of two infinitives. Uses of infinitives. Infinitives are used in subject or object or both, or in object complement. It also carries adverb or object complement. Now we see one by one in uses. For subject, Here the sentence, to lie is bad. यहाँ lie झूठ बोलना is bad, बुरा है. यहाँ झूठ बोलना एज ए सब्जेक्ट, इन्फिनेटिव को हम लोग यहाँ एज ए सब्जेक्ट यूज कर रहे हैं. टू लाई इज बैड. सेकेंड, to swim is good for health. Here to swim also used as a subject. Here in both sentence we are saying that infinitive, to infinitive are used as a subject. To lie is bad, to swim is good for health. Now second, ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट के रूप में he wants to dance. Here to dance is an object of in the sentence. Second, you want to give a reward. Here to give also a subject. As a subject we use to give. Now third, we use infinitive as a subject and as an object in a sentence. Here to respect our elders is our duty. Here respect and our duty both are infinitive. ये ऑब्जेक्ट दे रहा है इसको. We use infinitive to modify the verb. To modify the verb. We use infinitive to modify the verb. Example, Here in this sentence, Radha is referred to sing softly. Here to sing an object and softly the adverb, it modifies the song to sing softly. Here softly the adverb and to sing an object, it modifies the verb. Second, quinine is bitter to taste. Quinine is bitter, ये एडजेक्टिव बता रहा है और इसको ये मॉडिफाई कर रहा है, टू टेस्ट को मॉडिफाई कर रहा है बीटर. क्विनिन इज बीटर टू टेस्ट. थर्ड, in last example, this is not the time to laze. Here to laze is infinitive. Now we will see and practice with some examples I will give you on the board. I am giving you some examples. That are given in your book, Cornerstone. First, this sentence, there are 4 sentences, and this sentence is for practice. Here to speak, and it is used as a subject, Here, two students, their body sentence is they play football. Two students, their bodies. Here, two students is used as a object. Here, two is also subject, and the concern is about to end. Here, two is also an object, and it modifies the adjective verb. Now we will study bare infinitives, usage of bare infinitives and more infinitives that are commonly used in our daily life. We will study next class, and you should learn hard the kind of infinitives and their examples to understand. Thank you very much.